Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kulilang hair trimmer with the model number R55. See that? So, stay tuned. So, this is the box of this hair trimmer, Kulilang. Yo. And these are the accessories: charging cable, USB Type-C, I guess. I can't really remember. Oil, little brush, blade protector. Okay. This hair trimmer got 6.5 watts, 2 hours charging time, and 2.5 hours operating time. And the best got 7,200 RPM. See that? Got two colors, one like silver and the other one like gold. So I just took the silver one because I don't really like the goldy one. And that's it. So let's open it up, man. All right. So this is the manual. It's written in just Chinese language. Okay. Little brush, oil, and the charging cable. Okay, it's not a USB Type-C. And more inside. No, I don't think so. Okay, this is the hair trimmer. Looks good, just like JRL. It is the same like JRL, just another body. So this is it. We got this little hook here, which is good. Okay, and also just like JRL. See that? The same like JRL. Got little indicator here. Okay. In blade, made sure blade. So it's the same style. Everybody knows JRL blade is not that sharp enough. You know, it is okay, but for me, it's not sharp enough. So I thought maybe it's an improved blade, but no, it's still the same. Because I went to a barber shop and cutting with it, so I need to swap this blade with Andy's blade. The Andy's blade that doesn't have this corner right here, just straight ahead like this. Okay. Very quiet, which is good. I can't really tell if maybe this is plastic or metal. But here is plastic because I was making a teardown before, and this is pure plastic. Okay.
start again. It's a rich thing.
So I really like this trimmer. It's not that robust or something like that, but what I don't really like is this place. It's too smooth. They would have made a little bit something here, you know, but it's okay. I really like it.
Yo, all I want to say is this is a really powerful trimmer as long as you change the blade, because everybody knows that JRL blade, because this is the same like JRL blade is not sharp enough. When you change this blade, then you're gonna have your sharp lines.